Slap tower, but if I touch white, I lose. This doesn't count because it is damaged bricks. This doesn't count because their collision is not detected. This doesn't count because only 40% is white. This doesn't count because it's transparent. This doesn't count because it is damaged brick again. This doesn't count because it faded later. This doesn't count because it faded later. This doesn't count because the collision wasn't here. This doesn't count because it is only 50%. This doesn't count because I don't want to wall hop. This doesn't count because it is kill brick again. This doesn't count because it faded later, bro. I swear it's the last one. Bro, I thought it was the last one. When will this stoop? It didn't fade, so it didn't count. It didn't count because I didn't want to. It didn't count because 2/5 were white only. It didn't count because I don't count it. Same here. This doesn't count because it was a damaged brick again, bruh. I swear. It's the last damaged brick. No! No! Oh! This doesn't count because it disappeared. O no es de.